Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to renew GeneratePress license with a good renewal discount. So right now GeneratePress Black Friday deal is going on. I always purchase premium products during Black Friday because when you will do the renewal, you will get some extra discount during renewal also. So that's the reason this is the best time to purchase any sort of WordPress theme, hosting or plugins. I have created a dedicated page for all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. What you can do, you can just check the video description or you can visit blackfriday.bloggingjo.com and then check out the latest deals and offers going on: web hosting, themes, plugin, SEO tools, marketing tools, AI tools, lot of things I have listed here. Okay, so you can just check it out. Now let's go back to the tutorial and let's see how we can renew our GeneratePress license with a good 25% discount. Now for that I need to log into my GeneratePress dashboard. So let me log in first. And on the screen you can see that the status is expired, renew license with 25% on. And in case I want to upgrade to GeneratePress 1, I'll get a $50 discount, which is nothing but the current Black Friday offer. So I'm already using GeneratePress from last many years. Now let's renew it. So you can see that in the right side, GP premium yearly is $59, but after this $15 discount, I need to pay only $44. So let me choose the payment options and then complete the purchase. So you can say that after successful payment, this screen will appear, purchase confirmation screen. And here you can see that GP Black Friday 25 renew discount has been applied on my cart, and I have saved around $15. So that's how, if you want to renew your GeneratePress license during Black Friday, so you will be able to get around 25% discount, and this way you can also save a good amount of money.